and welcome back to the Osborne Wood Products Builder Studio. My name is Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble our 1164 reeded pedestal base kit. Now this kit is going to come with a center and 4 legs, and it's going to come already with all of the hardware pre-installed, so really and truly, it's just a little bit of assembly work that you're going to have to do. The pedestal center is going to come with all of the holes for attaching the feet already pre-drilled, so it's just going to be really easy. We'll start with taking off all of the nuts and washers. We'll just set those aside. The way that these pedestal kits are built is so that the bolts that are on the feet will line up perfectly with the holes that are pre-drilled in the pedestal centers themselves. That way, they fit right in. Now what that means is if you decide that you want to buy one of our pedestal centers and then maybe a set of feet that isn't specifically designed to go with them, these bolts may not line up with these holes. So if that's something that you are interested in, be sure to give us a call or send us an email because it may be something that we have to customize for you. There we go. All right, they're finger tight right now, but we can always use a ratchet to tighten them up since this is such a tight fit in here. Okay, 1 down, 3 to go. All right, and so now our pedestal center is pretty much complete. We've got our legs assembled, and you'll notice also that each of the legs comes with table levelers pre-installed as well, so that way if you have any issues, you can always level out your table really easily. We have a number of different pedestal kits that are available that will all have very similar assembly methods to this one. You'll also notice on our website that we sell these individually, both the feet and the centers, so that way if you decide you want maybe a different configuration than just a single pedestal with 4 feet, like maybe a trestle table, or maybe I've seen customers even do 2 or 3 pedestals all lined up in a row, then you can get just as many pedestals and as many feet as you need. If for some reason you also have maybe only 2 feet and a stretcher and you have maybe a single column of holes left over, we also sell sets of 4 screw hole plugs as well, which are designed to just fill in those holes. So as always, if you guys have any questions, you are welcome to either give us a call at 800-849-8876, or you can email us at info@osbornewood.com and we'll be happy to help. If you guys are interested in any of the products that we show in this video, such as the pedestal centers, the feet, or the full kit altogether, then the links will be in the description. So make sure that you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time in the Builder Studio.